In this video, I want to test another well-known strategy for trading. Here's how it works. When the price surpasses yesterday's highest price, creating a higher high and a higher low there, we place a buy limit order at the low level. This means that when the price retests this level, a buy position will be opened. And when the price falls below yesterday's lowest price, creating a lower high and a lower low, we place a sell limit order at the high level. So when the price retests this level, a sell position will be opened. Our take profit point will be at the low or high level.
Hey everyone, I'm Sepide. I'm a programmer with a passion for trading. I'm here to test different strategies for Forex, crypto and the stock market. Together we'll figure out what works, what doesn't, and hopefully discover a reliable strategy for our trading. In each video, I'll create an expert advisor for a strategy and test it using data from the past years. If you find these videos helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out.
I've created an expert advisor for this strategy and I'm gonna test it on Euro for 2023. So here we had the lowest price of the yesterday, and we had a low below it and a high and a lower point, and it opened sell here and closed here. Here again we had a lowest price, high, low and lower, and sell opened here. Here we had high, low and higher, and a buy opened here. We had -9 loss on M15. I will try other time frames. I will try on M5. So for 5 minutes we had 27% profit. I will try for bigger time frames like M30. So we had -25, so it's working for smaller time frame better. I will try on M1. We had -3% loss, so the best result was for 5 minutes. I will try it for 2022. So it didn't work for 2022, I will test it for 2021. So it didn't work for other years, and it just worked for 2023. And I will test it on gold. It had -3% for gold, and I will try for other time frames. For 15 minutes it has -30 loss. Now I modified my code to delete orders if the price increases or decreases by 300 points after putting orders. So if we have a buy limit order and price goes 300 points above and the order isn't executed yet, it deletes that order. And for sell, the same way, if price drops 300 points, it deletes sell order. Because sometimes we put an order, price goes in that direction and reaches higher and lower prices, and when it reverses, our order will be executed and it's likely to result in a loss. Also, if an order has been placed and 3 candles have passed without the order being executed, the order is then deleted. I will test it on Euro for 2023. So here we can see we have some cancelled order because they were put but they weren't executed and it deletes them. We had 50% profit for Euro on M5. I will test it for other time frames. It has -9% loss. For 1 hour it had 2% profit. So 5 minutes was the best result, and I will test it for other years. So it didn't work for 2022 and it had -40% loss. I will test it for 2021. it has minus 12% loss. I will test it for pound. It has minus 3 for 2023, minus 2%. It has 49% profit for 2021. So it just worked for 2021. I will test it for gold. 13% profit for 2021. For 2022 it had 14% profit, and for 2023 it had minus 11% loss. So I can say this strategy doesn't work all the time. It may work sometimes, but it's not reliable and can't be profitable. So here's the result of the test. For euro for 2023 we had 51% profit in M5 charts, minus 9% in M15, and 2% profit in hourly chart. For 2022 we had minus 39% loss, and for 2021 we had minus 12% loss. For gold we had minus 11% for 2023, and for 2022 we had 14% profit, and for 2021 we had 13% profit. And for pound we had 49% profit in 2021, minus 2% in 2022, and in 2023 we had minus 3%. I will put the full backtesting so you can see how does it exactly work and opening positions and orders. So if you're interested, you can watch the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.